Guys, Kevin here in Japan. It's Saturday. I don't know when I'm gonna actually upload this video, but I'm doing well. I'm going to work on Saturday. Today's actually my last day of work before my holiday. My holiday begins basically at 2 o'clock this afternoon, and I'm off until January 5th or 6th. So a couple of cool things today. I'm going to the Kobe Illuminarie, so that is a memorial light show to remember the Kobe earthquake. It's really beautiful. It's amazing. I'll definitely be putting up videos. I'm going to take my DSLR. I've got it in my backpack right now, and I'm going to take some video with that. That's going to be awesome. And I get to be Santa today. I'm going to Toys R Us after work to buy gifts for my kids, which is going to be fun. Christmas gifts for my kids. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. That's going to be awesome. So yeah, I don't have time to really put up, I've been so busy with work, I haven't had time to put up content. I've been making videos, but I haven't had time to upload them. So, got quite a few things, kind of like a backlog, which is great because next week when I'm on vacation, I'll be able to put up tons of stuff. And this week's podcast too, it's all recorded, I just haven't had time to edit it. It's a long one too. So I gotta get that up fast. I don't want this week's podcast to soon be next week's podcast, which is a possibility. Alright guys, take care. Kevin here in Japan. Do the train thing. Alright guys, see you.